Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sasha and I'm really glad that you clicked on this video. Don't keep attention on these broken glasses, but they are just too adorable to know they are them, even if they are broken, okay? So, according to the name of this video, what with my mouth. Anyways, according to the name of this video, you might already understand that this is a video about my first custom. But before we get started, I want to just remind you that we have adorable buttons below this video. Subscribe and thumbs up, and I also will so appreciate your feedback in the comments below. So, enjoy watching! So the first idea of making my own costume started that I pressured a special textile pins for my art school, because we were trying like the new method of art, the new type of art to draw on the textile. Like we were drawing pictures on the textile, okay? And also I found my old jacket in my closet. Like I was just cleaning my room and my closet and I found my old jacket that I definitely will not wear. And I just came up with a brilliant idea. Why I can't just make a custom, because I was inspired with this idea even before that I saw it on the Pinterest. I don't know, in all my videos about hobbies, I'm talking about Pinterest. Pinterest is just a motherland of my inspiring ideas. Thank you so much. So I just started to search for the ideas. What can I draw basically on my jacket? Guys, as you can see, I have already started and I wanted to make my jacket in this style. 1 second. I'm searching for the Pinterest, like Chinese cats, stuff like that. So I found a reference, this cat. And we are gonna do this. Meanwhile, I'm already watching the Five Nights at Freddy's gameplay. Yeah, I get the FNAF obsession. Honestly, since the start of this summer, I catch just really kawaii vibe. I don't know why. Maybe you have already noticed if you are looking at my social medias. The links on them you can see in the description below. Not advertisement at all. Probably something happened. I probably found my own style. You even can see me right now. I'm wearing the pink glasses. I'm making a sty dump scene there, and right now I'm using like this one marker. You know guys, I decided that I will add a rainbow here, and the main picture is done. Right now I need to just add some details, maybe on the sleeves, to make it better. I really like how does it going. You know, I wanted to talk with you while you're watching my process of working, that I have noticed that I'm really different among the children and teens my age. You know, all my classmates right now are thinking about relationships, love. Like, all girls in my class have already had a boyfriend and breakups. But, you know, I'm even not talking with boys at all. Only with gamers. Because we're like playing Minecraft. And that's all. And I am just focusing more on the self-development and artistic stuff and improving my skills and taking part in the exchange programs. I don't know why. Maybe this is good because I'm thinking like about my future and stuff. But You know, it makes me feel a little bit uneasy because literally I don't have a lot of friends at my school, at my class. I have only several of them with the same interests like me. So probably I just found my own persons who are also have the same values with me. I don't know. I decided that I will use some Japan phrases there, so I'm making a sleeves right now, as you can see. And oh my god, this spot. You betrayed me. A sneaky spot. So I'm going to put this phrase childhood here on the one sleeve and something on the another one. And also we have some spot there. I don't know what to do with them. It makes me upset. So our art here, and I don't know, should I add something on this sleeve or not? And also I'm going to add something here, something small here, and we will be done. Yay! By the way, guys, I found out what to talk about. I recently started to play Isekai and Doki Doki Literature Club, trying to find a free time to end this, but I don't know, maybe you can suggest me some fandoms there I can join, or suggest me some mangas in English, because I have been searching for interesting mangas on English language for so long. Oh, I have stuck in the cycle of like being obsessed only about Attack on Titan, because this is my favorite anime. You can see a lady here. I also have a Funko Pop of Mikasa. Yay! Also, I really like Demon Slayers. We have a Tanjiro here, Zenitsu, Inosuke. Inosuke, one of my favorite characters, by the way. Ew! And of course, Nezuko-chan! So while we were like talking about all this dumb stuff I have already done, and as you might already noticed, I'm right now standing in this jacket. So I guess this is just a time to see a result. I really like how does it manage to be. This is not so colorful like as I was expecting, but we have a really cool side here that means childhood and just an adorable cat who are screaming on us to stay dumb because we are just dumb childrens, you know. I also want to make several photos of them, and I definitely will wear this jacket because, you know, I like to be bright, to be like pick me. I'm pick me boss, okay? I hope you enjoyed watching this and maybe get inspired to try something new, because I think that my channel is just a spot there people can like imagine, I don't know, just get inspired to do some artistic stuff. So I hope you enjoyed. I wish you good night, because right now it's almost night. I'm recording it at night. Good evening, good morning if you're watching this in morning. I don't know. Just have a good day, have a good night, and see you in the next video.